everyone, welcome to my channel again. I'm thereviewchic if you're just joining me for the very first time, and I am doing a first impressions video. It is the holiday season. A lot of you are planning to decorate your houses for either Halloween or Christmas, and you might want to not fuss as much with the regular strand Christmas lights and everything. So I have a product here that I know a lot of you probably seen the infomercials and are probably really interested in knowing how it holds up and the setup of it and everything. It is the Star Shower Slide Show. Yeah, I know you all seen this, and this has 6 Christmas slides, 2 Halloween slides, and 4 holiday slides. So I know you probably seen the first one that they came out with, which was the Star Shower that has the red and green stars on the house. Now they have improved it and have come out with slides that you can use all year round for all the holidays that come around during the year. So let's see what you get. Now initially inside of the box, I pulled it out, and it comes with, you know, the standard instruction template and a little ad here. Then you have your base, which you can use this Star Shower inside as well. So you would hook it up on the base and set it on the table if you're having an event and you want to use it. Then you have your 12 slides. You have your slide inserter. So you would put your slide in there and insert it into the machine. Then you have the actual projector machine here, and it has a power cord to it. And then you also have the long stake. Now I am going to try this out and see how it works and do another video on it and give you my full review of this Star Shower. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.